the conditions as well, but the audio is pretty low. That first time you keyed up there, she was pretty loud and cleaned it up, and then she got real quiet. So you might have went a little too far with it on the downward spiral.
Okay, well, that's back to where we were started from right there, so it may be conditions too.
Yeah, it's getting better. Getting better right there. You get louder, maybe turn it up just a little bit more. Yeah, you did. Oh, yeah, that's a touchy one right there, man. Woo! You're going to be busy with that one.
Yeah, no doubt about it.
That didn't sound too bad right there. Maybe keep it right where you got it right there and talk into the mic a little more.
All right, well, I was afraid if I get too much in this mic, it starts coming up on there almost.
Try to get right up on that mic there, 240. See what that does.
Yeah, I'm right up on the mic right now. I'm right up on the microphone.
Yeah, well, it's getting there, and you're not, doesn't sound like you're hitting the ALC or anything like that.
I got another gate rolling 240, so change it all you want there.
Okay, I heard that. I don't know. I'm picking you up better than Busy Bee.
Yeah, he's like 100 feet higher than me. 100 feet higher, 500 watts more. But you're getting it. He's running that gate, so do what you got to do. I'm out of the road.
Okay, well, like I said, one time you come in there, and then the next time he comes in there, it's just kind of back and forth between the two. We're trying.
Roger, 240. Well, keep talking and check that gate out, and you'll know what's going on over there. And I'm sure you'll figure it out, no doubt in my mind.
Oh, he's doing a good job, and it's pretty clear at the moment, that's all. So it'd be a good chance to pick it up, and so you can hear what it sounds like.
Okay, yeah, I'm trying to get a little more, fidelity in this thing. It's just, I'm gonna turn that off. I don't know, it just don't sound like Mother Radio.
No, it doesn't. I'll give you that. It doesn't sound like the other one, no.
Switch back to the other one. I didn't think you could get much better than what you sounded like before.
Yeah, I just had a lot more fidelity on that on my other radio. This one here, it's real touchy.
Yeah, you'll figure it out, man. You're getting there, though. It just sounds like it's pretty touchy. You gotta find that happy medium.
Okay, here on the scope that, I'm just going to have to turn my other radio on and listen to it, I guess. Okay, we're going.
Have a good one, 240. We're going to upload this one as well. I'll put testing on this one.
I appreciate it.
You know, son, you wanted to buy